Hey guys, welcome back for another shop spotlight. Today we are talking about the crazy art teacher lady. This shop is ran by Kinsey out of Alexander, Arkansas, and has been in business since 2013 with over 2,800 sales. She's a middle school art teacher by day, and by night hand draws, hand cuts, and paints each door hanger with the help of her husband. She's got a very wide variety of not only everyday but holiday door signs, as well as if you are a dog lover, she does a lot of custom dog door hangers that are specific to the breeds, which are really super cute. So if you have a few moments and you would like to show her some love, I'll leave a link in the description below directly to her shop on Etsy, and I hope you have a blessed day. As always, friends, thanks so much for stopping in today. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future handmade shop spotlights.